Welcome to Casella's Zero Sort Recycling Facility. With Zero Sort, Casella has made it easy for you by allowing all of your recyclables to be put into one container. But they still need to be separated, and this is how we do it. The recycling is driven to the nearest material recovery facility, otherwise known as a MRF. When it arrives at the facility, the truck is weighed on a scale, and then all of the recyclables are dumped onto the floor. A loader pushes the material onto the main upfeed belt, which is metered by either a metering drum or, in this case, large chains as it makes its way to the pre-sort area. During pre-sort, non-acceptable material is pulled off the conveyor by quality control associates. The material makes its way to a 3-deck cardboard screen. The cardboard surfs over the top of the discs, while material smaller than 8 inches falls through the discs and moves onward for further processing. Once the material falls through, the first priority is to extract the glass using a glass breaker disc screen. It's designed to break full or partial glass bottles into pieces 2 inches or less, where they end up in a large pile waiting to be recycled into new glass bottles. Any material larger than 2 inches, such as plastics, metals, and paper products, move onward for further separation. Next, bimetal tin cans are pulled out using a large magnet. The remaining material, which now consists of plastics, aluminum, and paper products, continues onward. The paper products, otherwise known as fiber, is separated using our newspaper disc screens, which are sized and angled to enable fiber to surf over the top while containers fall below the screen. At this point, we've separated the fiber from the remaining containers. The fiber is then sent to a quality control area to ensure paper mill specifications. The remaining containers move downstream toward the computerized optical sorters. Each type of plastic has its own so-called DNA and is optically sorted by a combination of cameras, lights, and air jets. Now it's time to sort out the aluminum. This is done using reverse magnetic polarity, also known as an eddy current. The aluminum is extracted and taken to a final quality control inspection before dropping into a bunker. Now that all the various materials have been separated, it's time to make them into bales. The baling machines compress the material and wrap it using wire into cubes that weigh between 1,500 and 2,000 pounds. These cubes are sorted in our warehouse and are now ready for shipment to the mills to be made into new products. Zero Sort, how recycling gets done. To find out more about Casella's Zero Sort program, please visit zerosort.com.